अंदूच्या ISLांत रनर अप जाल्ले FC गोवा बांबोळे स्टेडियमार सर्जिओ लोबेराच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला सुपर कपाची तयारी करतात। लीग फायनलींत हरिल्ले FC गोवाची आता सुपर कप जिखपाची मोख। अंदू ISLांत बरेपैकी कामगिरी केल्लो उदेंतो डिफेंडर सेवियर गामा सुपर कपाचे चॅलेंजी खातीर तयार जाला।
The level is the same, like we played in the ISL games. The level is the same, and we will go in this Super Cup. We should keep working hard and give it all to win every match.
ऑन पर्सनल फ्रंट तुका कितें एडवायस दिल्या कोच सर्जिओ लोबेरान आनी आतां फुडें तुका कितें इम्प्रूवमेंट करपाचें आसा तुज्या गेमीन?
He told me to keep working hard and keep the level which I'm playing. While practicing, he told me to be strong for every tackle, to be ready and positioning wise.
Right.
But I hate when the opponent has the ball at his feet and I try to get it anyhow.
कॅप्टन आणि लेफ्ट बॅक मंदारराव देसाई दुखापतग्रस्त आशिल्ल्यान गामा स्टार्टिंग 11 खेळटलो अशी शक्यताय आसा। दुसरे वटेन लीग वस्तादपण मेळुना म्हूण अणभवी मिडफिल्डर लॅनी रॉड्रिग्साक वायट दिसला।
It's a disappointing result and we gave our best, but luck could not help us. And now also I'm feeling so sad because I didn't won the trophy, but we'll try our best and to make it for next season.
आता सुपर कपाचेर ताजो दोळो।
As our coach said, we have to prepare for the Super Cup and everyone is ready, and so we are doing our job very well on the field. And with my point, I'm ready for the Super Cup. For me, we have a very good team, from the goalkeeper till attack, and we are doing well, and we are practicing so hard to win this cup. And for me, I just want to say thank you for the management who kept faith in me to sign FC Goa, and secondly the coaches who motivated me, and all the from coaching to ground staff, they are very good and we are like a family.
I think the fans loved FC Goa more than ever before in the last 2 years. You've been here this year. Have you loved your football more than ever before being in this setup?
Yeah, obviously it's my home team, and playing at home is different away from home. So I like the atmosphere. The stadium is good, and thank to the people who come for the matches.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू।